Assalamu alaikum viewers, it's Muhammad Shahrukh Siddiqui and you are watching Lawyers TV. So today we are going to discuss a topic that create a lot of panic in the media industry of Pakistan recent days. Social media was buzzing with this news. What was the news actually? The news is about Cynthia Derucci. Who is Cynthia Derucci? A woman actually who was based in America, USA, who came in Pakistan in 2010 on the official meeting of Yusuf Raza Gilani was the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and Pakistan People's Party was the party in the government. So what happened there? Cynthia Ritchie or Cynthia Derucci or Cynthia Dawn Ritchie, people call a lots of name for her, but we are not going to discuss that, what the name is actually. The content is that Cynthia Ritchie has released a video on different social media platforms. In that video, she accused Rahman Malik of sexual harassment and rape. Further, she accused her former Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani of physical manhandling. And she also leaked some pictures which are...
These are the pictures of agencies which cover the news of Cynthia Derucci. It includes domestic as well as international news agencies.
The moment that news was brought out in the market, the whole social media was buzzing with this news, and expected a media, electronic media, who was always in search of such type of news, reacted on that news with a wonderful approach of taking some sort of interviews, and that was the breaking news in lots of bulletins. FIA has approached this case as party to investigate that matter. They just want the arrest. They want FIA to arrest Cynthia. On the other hand, the social media is wanting a complete, correct, and clean investigation of that topic. Whether whether Cynthia is right or wrong. If she is right, then the accused, the culprit, should be punished accordingly. So stay connected with us for more videos regarding this topic. Until then, it's a goodbye. Allah Hafiz.